Hi guys, if you are new here, my name is Okay. So I'm in the middle of filming a video and I thought why not make this a two-part video and do a
trying eyeliner video.
So I've had this for quite some time. I've been meaning to do this video. This is the Sephora I Heart Cushion collection that came out a long time ago, probably a few years ago. So I've had this for a little while, but I haven't never opened it. I've never used it. So I thought, you know, I'm in the middle of doing my face for date night, and I thought, why not just do it here? I feel like I'm eating all this powder that's all over my face. So let's do this. Okay. So what you get in here, and this is in the color Ultra Black. You get a angled liner brush, and you get a pot of black liner. So this is it right here. Ultra Black and the I Heart Sephora, or I Heart Cushion Sephora line. So it is a cushion in there. Do you see that? Like, it's not just, it's a cushion. Look at that. Wow. It's a cushion. That's so cool. Let's hope this works. I'm not really feeling the brush, to be honest. So I'm going to see if I have another liner brush. I have this one from AOA. So I have a new liner brush from AOA. I'm going to try that instead because, so if you see, it's like not, it's a cushion. It's coating the whole brush. So let's see how this works now. The eyeliner doesn't really do much, but we're gonna keep working on it. Yeah, the eyeliner is not very thick. So if I come in close, if you could see, or I'll bring it in closer, it's not very like fulfilled. Like, I'm gonna have to go over it a few times. I mean, it looks pretty from here, but up close, not the best. Okay, it's still not even all the way filled in, and I've gone on over it like a bunch of times already. I'm gonna do the other eye now, but I'm not really feeling it. In fact, I think I'm gonna go over it with an AOA liner after this, because I like my, I mean, especially like during the day, like this is fine to go to work, you know, or whatever, but for a date night, no. I'm trying here. To top it off, this is supposed to be like glossy. Okay, before I jump into another eyeliner here, I'm gonna really like dig the brush in there like very deep. Look how like black the whole thing comes out. And try that to fill it in. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to fix it with another eyeliner, I swear. So now I see why this was on clearance. It's gonna get worse and worse. So I'm gonna stop here. If you see this on their website, skip it. Don't do it. This was a very quick video, and I thank you guys for watching so much. If you guys want to see any other products tried on my channel here, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will do my best to provide
and entertain.
Yeah. Don't buy this. It's not that good. If you guys know of any other products, like I said, any other eyeliners you want to see me try, let me know.
Bye-bye.